Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall start English Unit 3 poem My Shadow. My Shadow is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. The poet revolves around a child and his shadow. He is fascinated by his own shadow that moves with him. The child starts noticing things about his shadow. He noticed that it resembles like him, means he noticed that he looks like him. Moreover, he also sees that the shadow does the same thing as the child. For instance, when he gets in the bed, the shadow does the same as well. Sometimes it gets into the bed before the child can. However, some things still confuse the child. It is that the shadow keeps changing its size. Sometimes it grows very tall and sometimes it turns small. One day the child decided to get up early. He noticed dews on the floor, but the shadow is missing. Thus, he assumes that his shadow is so lazy that it is still sleeping in the bed. Now, children, do you know whenever there is light, something follows you? Have you ever wondered who it is? It is our shadow. The shadow will appear only when there is light. When there is dark, we can't see a shadow. Now, during daytime, what happens? The rays of the sun falls on us. Sometimes we can see a shadow very long, while at noontime the shadow is short. Here is a small poem. We shall read it. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Now, here the shadow is always following the child. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. So, the shadow, when it grows, sometimes it is big and sometimes it is very small. So, normally children, how they grow? They grow very slow, but the shadow, sometimes it is long and sometimes it is short. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning, very early, before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Written by Robert Louis Stevenson. So in this poem we have seen that the child is observing the shadow every time. He is seeing how his shadow is sometimes long, sometimes it is too short. Sometimes it is early to bed, and sometimes from the bed he is not coming out, means he is sleepy. So this was the poem. I hope, dear children, you have understood this poem. The new words here is Indian rubber ball. It is a ball that can bounce very high. Buttercup is a yellow flower. It looks like buttercup. Errant means bad. Errant sleepy head means completely inattentive. We now move on to filling the blanks using one of the words given in the bracket. First one, where is the child whose parents have come to school? Next, I saw many houses which were quite spacious. Next, mathematics, which is my favorite subject, is so interesting. Next, the poem that you read out is so lovely. Next, I know the street which he lives on. Next, I like reading books which have pictures on it. And the last one, the old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. The next is complete this description by answering the question below. Now here some questions are given for which you have to write few lines on Mittu and his little dog named Shadow. So first line will be, I think the name of the dog is Shadow. Second one, she is called so because she follows Mittu wherever he goes like a shadow. Third line will be, she is of grey color. Fourth line will be, yes, she is very friendly. And the last line will be, she likes to eat bones and bread. I hope, dear children, you have understood this poem. Thank you.